Welcome to the new NeTIX UI. This video will detail differences between the NeTIX Silverlight UI and our new NeTIX user interface. The main and biggest improvement on the new front end is that NeTIX no longer relies on Windows Silverlight. This limited users to having to use Internet Explorer or Firefox. The new UI is based on HTML5, so can be used on both Windows and Macs, as well as all modern browsers, for example, Chrome, Safari, and Edge. To register for an account, please access the URL netix.netedi.com. Here you will find our main login screen. At the bottom of the login box, please click Register for an account. The Register for an account box will load and you will be prompted to enter a username. We advise that the username is defined as your email address. You will then need to enter your email address, password, and confirm your password. Passwords must be at least 6 characters long and must include a special character, at least one number, and an uppercase letter. When you have submitted your registration information, you will be directed back to the login screen. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address that you provided upon registration. Please check your email and click the link to confirm your account. When you have authenticated your account, you will be able to access NeTIX or manage your account. Please click here to use application. For security, you will need to enter your new details and then click Login. You will then be sent to the dashboard. To add a new user, click Instance Admin, then Users. Here you will find a list of users. To add a new user, click Add User. Under Details, please enter the email address of the new user you're adding and define the type of account for the user. If you scroll down the page and click Add Row under Views, you'll be shown the profile box. Here you can restrict what message types or partners your users can see. Once you have entered the relevant information into the profile box, you can click Confirm and a new row will appear in the Views table. User access views need to be defined by an admin account before the new user goes through the registration process. You will be able to add users because you will have had permissions granted to your account. Next, please click the Roles tab at the top of the page. When adding roles, a user role is more restricted than an admin role. Ensure that after changes are made, you click Save All Settings. Having saved your changes, you will be directed back to the user list page. Problems with logging in. If any users have problems logging in, on the front screen of NeTIX, you can click on Forgot Your Password or Forgot Your Username. If you click on Forgot Your Password, you will be prompted to enter your username. This is normally your email address. If you accurately enter your email address, you will be sent a link via email enabling you to reset your password. You will be taken to the Reset Password box, where you will be prompted to enter and to confirm a new password. The successful resetting of your password will be confirmed, and you will then be able to log in. A reminder of your username can be sent to your email address from the main login page. Click on Forgot Username and you will be prompted to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, press Submit and you will be sent a reminder of your username to your email account. You can navigate back to the login screen from the email. With the new user interface, we have introduced a dashboard that acts as an overview for the most important information you will need to access in the new UI. This information is accompanied by direct links to those key areas. The dashboard displays document totals including orders received, invoices sent, and trading partners live, a data usage plan status, and then scrolling down, latest documents, which are all clickable, and to the right, the batch summary that you can hover over to. These two boxes are followed by document volume by partner and then document volume by type. The key in the document volume by type box is also clickable. We are continually refining the dashboard and are planning new features to be added over time. In the new UI, one of the first things you may notice is that the standard icons have all been refreshed throughout. We've worked to simplify our icons, improve their visual consistency, and to make them more comprehensible. There are also two menus to get to the original settings or options. You can click on the batch or document and it will provide a user menu with multiple options such as Edit, Process, and EDI batches. To access the second menu, on the left side of your document batch screen, simply tick your document. Then in the top right corner, there is a master menu, which provides the required processing functionality for the selected row. Filtering is a feature that has also been added to our new UI. We wanted to enable you to easily reduce the data that you are viewing, to make the document you're searching for quicker to find, and to give you the option to save and access previous filters you've created. If you click Add Filter, this will allow you to choose from multiple options. I'm going to demonstrate 3 searches that you can start using today: a document ref search, buyer search, and document status search. Please note that to the right of your filter drop-down, you can add another search criteria row by clicking Add Row and applying the filters you've set by clicking Apply. When you have finished using the filters you have set, you can simply click the X in the corner of the Filter tab to close it. Or, if you'd prefer to save your new filter tabs, you can click Save Filters and the filters will be available to you for use when you next access the page. The ability to edit columns is a new personalisation feature for the new UI. It enables you to select which columns you would like to view on the batch, document and boss batch pages of the UI and the order you'd like to view them in. If you navigate to the cog in the top right corner and click, this list will give you the option to define what appears on the list screen that you are viewing, meaning you can prioritise the information that you can see by ticking and unticking the column options. After you have selected the columns that you would like to appear, you can also choose the order that they appear in on the list screen. Simply drag the columns and resize as required. Creating and editing product lines is simple in the new UI. To add a new product line, you simply click Add Row and then populate the fields and click Save. There are also two options for editing product lines. You can either click the row directly to edit the values, or you can click the edit icon at the end of the row and a box will open up. Near the edit icon is where you'll also find the delete row icon. When you've added or amended the product lines that you need to, you have the following options. Update saves progress, it does not send the document. Send processes the document and sends it. Cancel exits the document. One of our last new UI updates is found in Documents. The status, In Progress, appears under Document Status. If you process an order into an invoice and click Save, it will create an In Progress invoice that will appear under Documents. This allows visibility over documents that are partially completed. Like any message in the new NeTIX UI, this can be progressed or deleted from the menu options in the main dialog. Our final platform update is that the Excel export option has moved and is now available from the menu in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this option will copy and create an Excel document for you to save to your computer. If you require further help, please contact our dedicated support team.